Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Manjunath. In this video I am going to speak about your project work. So for submitting your synopsis as well as your project report, what are the steps you are going to follow up for submitting online. So because of COVID-19 crisis or COVID-19 pandemic, so you are not able to visit your study center and discuss about your uh, project work with your guide or submit. So because of that reason, IGNOU has allowed you to submit your project report or synopsis online. So I will cover both the topics. One is synopsis submission and project report submission in this video. So what are the steps you are going to follow, I will cover in this video, so please watch till end. So this is for IGNOU MLIS students especially. So for submitting your synopsis, so I give one email address. You can send your uh, synopsis report to this email address. So first you prepare your synopsis and discuss with your guide or supervisor for doing your synopsis. So what are the corrections required and everything. So after your supervisor approved your uh, synopsis, so get a digital sign from your signature from your guide or supervisor. uh, so digital signature is also called scanned signature. So you can get your scanned signature or digital signature from your guide and attach that digital signature to your synopsis report and make a PDF and send it to uh, this blue marked email ID ignolis@gmail.com. So this is IGNOU faculty of MLI Library Information Science faculty email address. So if you're not able to get a digital signature, so you can request your supervisor to send a mail to so same email ID about mentioning in that email ID should mention that your supervisor has approved your synopsis as well as ready to guide you. So that should be mentioned, and also you should mention your enrollment number and name. So send that email ID from your supervisor to this ignolis@gmail.com. So this is about submission of synopsis. So for project title, you can select below topics. These are the 8 topics suggested by IGNOU MLIS faculty. So because this project area you can allow to survey online, so you don't need to visit your any library or institution for collecting the data or information for your project. You can do entirely your collection data online survey. So these are the 8 topics suggested. You can pause and write it down. So these are the about IGNOU synopsis submission procedure. So next, for if your uh, project is already if your synopsis is already approved, so you can submit directly your project report to the uh, link as given at on IGNOU main website. So this is the IGNOU main website. Here the notification is there, so click on that, it will take you to the new page. So here you can submit your project report, final project report. So for submitting final project report, you need to follow some guidelines and some instructions carefully. So on front page of your project, you should mention your project title, and second your name of your guide and your name and program code, your enrollment number, study center name, and course code, that is MLIP 002. And also don't forget to write your mobile number as well as your email ID and your project guide email ID also, both are important. uh, so these are the uh, final project report. And so don't forget that your final project report should have following following information, or the documents should attach to your final project report. One is your approved synopsis. Your approved synopsis should also be submit along with your final project report, and get a approved signature. So the approved pro forma or synopsis approved pro forma or certificate, that also your should submit your along with your project report, that should have. And also you should have your biodata of your supervisor, and also your final synopsis soft copy, and as well as attach that soft copy along with your project report, and consent letter, as well as certificate of originality from your guide. So these are the things you should attach to along with your final project report. So if you don't follow these things, your project will be rejected. So after making all the documents attached one by one, so you can make one PDF and submit it. So for submitting, click below here, yes, do you want to continue, click on the yes. So here blue highlighted, click on that, proceed to upload. So here you can mention your enrollment number, your program MLIS, as well as your date of birth, and below date of birth, and also mention the code that is given below, and submit. That will allow you to upload your project report in a single PDF form, and that will be all done. So this is all about your project report as well as your synopsis submission procedure. So if you have any questions related to these two, you can comment below on in the comment section. So whenever I free, I will answer your all the comments. So thank you for watching.